If NFS Underground 2 shows a black screen after applying the widescreen fix, this video will help you fix it quickly. As you can see, it shows black screen. Press the Windows key and close the game. Right now, I drag and drop the scripts and then put 8.dll to fix the widescreen. And now check my video description for this widescreen fix link, updated version. Just scroll down. You're able to see yes, still works. Select the link and it will start downloading. In your case, if you are downloading this first time, then you will get a suspicious download. Select the download option and download anyway. Select the folder icon and then right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close out of here and open the game folder. Just drag and drop this ASI file to scripts folder and select replace the file in the destination. And then just close stuff here and launch the game. As you can see, now the game works perfectly fine without any black screen. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.